Hello, everyone. Yeah, first of all, thank you for Good Akesha team and Train Your Mind team for giving me this opportunity. So, how can I tell? I started Good Akesha by a T2 batch. It was second batch for us. No one knows like what exactly that about not much about like Good Akesha. So I saw one pamphlet or something like that about Good Akesha, the night meditation. I immediately, without thinking anything, I immediately enrolled to that program. So I thought like initially night meditation maybe like for an hour or two, like they are going to we have to do like meditation practice and. I never imagined that I have to sit for the whole night for doing the meditation. When I joined, even I don't know the meaning of Buddha Kesha also. I thought like it may be probably one of the pyramid name. So on the first day, in the T2 batch, like when I joined, so they told they had like many masters, they had givenly clear instructions what to do and like how the Garuda Kesha process will be there. And they told you have to like wake up for you have to do meditation or awareness for throughout the night. So I was like shocked, I was not actually prepared for that, where doing meditation like for throughout the night. Before I used to do like meditation twice or thrice a week, 15 minutes, like sometimes half an hour, like 1 hour, not consistently so once I joined like Gura Kesha, I never thought it is like going to change my whole life, my personality and everything got changed. So first day like I slept. I'm not like my mindset was not like no, I am not going to do this one. Second day okay, like let me try, like at least I thought like so many people are doing, why can't I, I just woke up to morning 4 o'clock. After that I slept. So on the third day, okay, I'm not, on the third day I'm successfully able to wake up for the whole night. And from fourth day, what happens, all of a sudden I realize the change in my thoughts. In the morning times, like I feel like blissfulness in my whole like mind and body, everything no, my mind is completely blank, like I'm not getting any thoughts about the past or the future. Before, like always my mind is full of like what are the past things happen, like what are the what are the issues I face, so many troubles, they will be keep on recurring in my mind. Like I will be keep on talking, oh, why this incident has happened, so many incidents has happened to me, what to do the next day. I'm a working woman and I have to take care of kids, my family, my job and everything. I was like always like in worry, like something will be keep on in my mind, what to do the next day or tomorrow, how to plan and all those stuff. All of a sudden, from from the fourth day and the fifth day of Buddha Kesha, I felt like my mind is in some a peaceful, pleasant state. I feel myself there is a lot of change and the process is happening in my inner self. Something like a blissful and pleasantness. It is like I can't express in words. It is so wonderful. And that too, like I joined in T2 December. It was winter month, December 2020. It was so cold over here in US. Outside everywhere it is snow, it is shivering snow. Even I've put like comforters, like two or three comforters, it will be like shivering like cold. So I told like Prabodh master, sir, like I'm not able to bear like cold. By midnight, like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, I am shivering, like I cannot bear this cold. So immediately he has like small things, like if you ask small questions also, he is having so much play patience and he's so blissful, he will listen to everyone and answers your like small silly questions also. He immediately he told me like a two more technique, though, so that it will make the fire and energy in your inner body. Once I started that technique, it's really helped me, like because I live in a cold place. So it was so like and the from the fifth day there was a lot of change and process is happening, just like a kid, waiting for their parents to come and like talk. Like I will be waiting for Prabhu sir, like every Sunday he used to come and talk with our team. So I will be waiting to share my experience to Prabhu sir. So many incidents happen, I used to have severe back pain and sciatica. I cannot sit it at one place continuously for not even like 15 to 20 minutes. So I was like, I was not totally, how can I do meditation for the whole night? First initial days, I used to like a 3, 4 chairs, and like I used to put in my room, so like a standing and again walking, from moving from one chair to another chair, like different recliners, like sofas and chairs. I'm not able to sit. Gradually I observed, after few days, like 20th day, like 25th day, I'm able to sit in one place like at least like an hour, like for 2 hours. I was like totally surprised there. Like doctors told like I'm having sciatica and back pain, like how I cannot sit like more than like 15, 20 minutes. Like I was about to cry, if I sit for longer time. So like nothing, like no pain is coming to me. Slowly my back and everything, like my back pain got reduced. There is a lot of change in my physical health also. Like I observed so many things, and sirs, this I continued from T2 batch, second batch, and T3 batch, and T4 batch also I successfully completed. So each batch, like he is telling like different techniques. So when I see initially, like when we have done, he has given the energy yoga, like about to energy yoga and yoga nidra. So yoga nidra helps us, if in the, I'm also working like a whole night if I am aware, and again for the I have to sit in the system for like 8 hours, 9 hours. So I never felt like tiredness or anything, because of that yoga nidra. Like immediately while working also, I will take a quick 10 minutes break, and I will start doing like a yoga nidra. And later in T3 batch and T4 batch, sir has introduced like 1 minute yoga nidra also, like half minute. Immediately, like I used to sit, like whenever like I'm like too much stressed out, I am having so much work pressure. Immediately I close while doing in front of the laptop also. I close my eyes and I relax my body. Within 1 minute, like my whole body is get relaxed. I feel so much change in my in my body and my emotions, like in my surroundings also. I get connected to my nature also. Like before, I never care about the trees and the plants, my indoor plants. Just like okay, they are at one side. But after doing yoga nidra, now I know the importance of nature, connecting to the plants, and I love my indoor plants. Now I see all my indoor plants, my kids, and like Divya Mangala Drishti, like sir has teached. So now I used to think before, why I never cared about my plants and like my kids, like that Drishti, like why I never saw. If you see when I like before, I don't know about the awareness also. Like whenever when I'm angry or depressed, I used to see with angry eyes like this. I never realized, like if you are doing meditation also, when you see with angry eyes to someone, you are how much energy you are losing. Sir has told like small many techniques. So if you do the meditation also, so you get so much cosmic energy in you. So what are the where you are losing those energy, like doing 1 hour meditation, and again you are talking like a negative things or bad things. If you are scolding some other person, see looking them angrily, these are all things which makes us to lose the energy. So he has told many techniques. Like before I was not aware of those points. Sir has teach many techniques, doing this even the one thing is I told is like the Divya Mangala Drishti and oneness meditation. Like I had I never thought like oneness, like how it is going to actually impact us. So once I felt like oneness meditation, it was so much, my consciousness was like expanding out of my body, the whole room. It expanded outside the room also, and it expanded outside my street also. I felt like joy in myself, like whole room is like energy of myself, like my consciousness, the whole room is filled my consciousness. And out of the my I can able to see out of the walls also, such a blissful experience. Oh my god, so getting like Prabodh Master sir in your life, you should be blissful, having such a great master in your life. So why I'm not able to connect to him, like when I was in young, like I was thinking such a wonderful master, so. And this Guda Kesha program also is a very great program. So every day we used to have like a Sajjana Sangatyam. So people will discuss about their experiences, like their sharings. So like I never get like time to read like the books or anything like so like very rarely I used to have like met the meditation persons. So I know like in the US it is really hard to get like-minded persons. So in the Sajjana Sangatyam, I love I like after interacting with the people and after discussing so many things, like I learned many things about the meditation, how to be yourself, and how like the inner peace. Like I am not the alone but a person, like so many other peoples, they are also practicing. What are the problems they are facing? And again, what are like I we used to get motivate each other, like Sajjana Sangatyam. And again, this one about Swadhyayam. So reading the books. Other than my studies and my subject, I never read about any books about spirituality. Once, like after coming to know about the like Swadhyayam, I started reading many books about all the yogis, masters. Such a wonderful experience. Like now, it totally changed my inner self. Even like my family members start noticing difference in me. What happened to me, so much change into in me. Before I used to ask my husband, why don't you try doing meditation? He never tells like, no, I'm not interested. If you want, like you can carry on. I don't want, but I don't ask me to do meditation. But once I started like Gudakesha, he was surprised. I was sitting for like 41 days doing the meditation. There is something, and everyone noticed there is a lot of change in me. Like before, after doing for like if I do anything like for 1 hour, I used to get tired. Oh my god, I need to take a nap or break, I'm really tired. Like so much frustration after having the kids. My immunity got very much reduced. After doing Gudakesha, it has completely changed. I'm doing more work than before. I'm feeling so much energy levels because of Prabodh Master. Always feeling the blissfulness in my mind and in my heart. My thinking, my thoughts, everything got changed. Even my colleagues, they started telling me, we are like blessed having you like this, in my team. You are always so even though sometimes they in the work also we get like some critical situations, everyone are so nervous. I am the person who will be very pleasantly smiling to them and answering them very patiently. They will surprise how can you answer those questions like very smoothly, even though we are frustrated and we are like angrily asking these questions, you will be answering so quietly and pleasantly. Immediately I think about Prabodh Master and I will say thank you to him. Such a wonderful program. I want like every one of you like to join that Godakesha. Really, I changed my life. I want everyone to be like changing their lives and like enjoy like Prabhu's master teachings and feel the like the happiness in yourself. Thank you. Thank you for everyone for giving the opportunity to me.